Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing Turtle and instantiating screen and Turtle right away. Create a screen size and background so coordinates behave predictably. Set Turtle, speed and pen size for control. Then position your Turtle with pen up, go to X, Y, set heading, angle, and pen down to start. Once done, draw a simple shape like a square using forward and write 90 to confirm orientation. This immediate practice verifies your environment and reveals coordinate conventions before more. Now you structure code. Write functions that accept size, color, and position so you can reuse shapes. Use for loops plus range to repeat motifs and nested loops to create grids or spirals, while loops work for procedural growth too. Change Turtle. Color and use begin fill and end fill when filling shapes, and vary pen size for emphasis. Also use set heading and relative movements to layer elements. These practices keep your drawing predictable and make complex scenes composable and easy to tweak. To finalize, ensure your drawing persists with screen, main loop or exit on click, and export using the Canvas PostScript method if you need a file. Make sure you lift or lower the pen intentionally. Pen up prevents unwanted strokes. If things freeze, check for infinite loops or blocking calls and confirm main loop is present. If shapes look wrong, verify coordinate math and heading. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears, inspect pen state and speed, and step through a simple shape to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.